The next beautiful knife combo is the Joker Trampero, and in this case I have a Victorinox Delmont with, I think this is the S14. Now you can swap this out for another model with the walnut handle. I just happen to have this one, and I happen to find this a nice combo, especially if the knife is a standalone knife, so you don't bring other tools, maybe a saw blade separately. But you can do that with the knife as well. But let's have a look. So you have this beautiful Joker Trampero. I'll turn it over so you can see the text. It is a beautiful 14C28 steel blade, Scandi grind, spare point, beautiful walnut handle, leather sheath, fire steel, dangler with snappers, so you can choose how you carry it. Fire steel with matching walnut, nice detail. Put it back. All right. So maybe you use this one for the rougher work. You know, if you need to make something small, like I don't know, maybe a figure 4 trap or something, or you know, you can use this knife for just the carving. And let's make another notch here. All right. All right. Oh, something like that. I mean.